Welcome to your new home. This is the perfect starter home, or even could be great for those that are looking to downsize. If you're new to my channel, my name's Tish Schoberg. I'm a licensed real estate agent in the Hamilton and surrounding areas, and I love everything to do with real estate plus more. So if you are looking to buy a home or sell a home, we've helped a ton of families to relocate in the GTA or to stay local. Please reach out to us. Our contact information is in the description and also in the first comment. So really excited to take you guys through this home. This home really checks a lot of boxes. And what I like about this home is that it's not too oversized. When you have a smaller home, there's a lot of pros. Like you get a more cozy layout, and the space is usually utilized much better than sometimes a larger home. And you also have less cleaning to do, which is huge. Like, trust me, my family and I, we just moved to a home that's twice the size of our previous home. This is the garage. So you have your 1-car garage plus your driveway parking as well. So enough room for 2 cars. So we moved to a new house and we upsized, and there is just so much cleaning that's required. So you want to make sure that you keep that in mind. So this is the living area. Absolutely stunning. So much that you can do with the space. You can have a potential a sectional couch facing the window, and then the TV here if you'd like, or I kind of like this setup with the 2-piece couch and then your TV here. Just so much that you can do with the space. Loving the large window. The kitchen is just to die for. Loving the stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, just gorge. Beautiful sink. It's in the island. Loving these cabinets. Like, these cabinets are timeless. Like, the dark brown is just so stunning. And I love that they've chosen to update their light fixtures. This is your dining area that leads out to your oversized deck. And look at the size of these sliding doors. I don't even think this video is doing it justice. You may need to contact me to come see it in person, because not only do you have these incredible oversized sliding doors, but you also have a humongous deck. Like, look how large this deck is. Landscaping on it is gorgeous as well. Looks like they're planting some type of fruit or vegetable out there, which is really neat. Maybe some cucumbers or tomatoes. And then look at the back. You have a Ravine lot. There's nothing behind there. So just complete privacy. It's interesting because sometimes I get clients tell me, oh my God, Tish, I love Ravine lots. Like, it's premium lots. I get so much privacy. And then on the other side, I also get some people who tell me, oh my God, Tish, no, I can't deal with the Ravine lot because I'm scared of animals coming into my backyard. So the reviews, I should say, or feedback with Ravine lots have been quite mixed, but I think overall people just love Ravine lots and the privacy. And typically lots that are Ravine are more premium. So this is your first room. Really cute size, perfect for a nursery or a small child's bedroom, office, ginormous walk-in closet. And this is what I mean by the space being well utilized with a smaller home, right? Like, you don't have any wasted long hallway space. Look how to the point, compact, and well utilized this hallway space is, right? Here you have the second bedroom. This appears to be a double bed. You can easily fit this bed in here with 2 dressers or 2 side tables and a dresser. Beautiful double windows. Looking out to the front of the house. Loving the larger closets. That's the one thing that I love about a newer home, is you tend to get a lot more closet space. And look at this. You have your bathroom that leads directly from the hallway, but also directly from your primary bedroom. So really convenient. Love that. And this is the lovely bathroom. And you have the granite counters that continue upstairs as well. This bathroom is huge. Absolutely love it. And this is the primary bedroom. Really great size. Can easily fit like a queen, potentially a king bed in here as well. And look, you have your complete privacy with your windows facing the ravine. Pure greenery. And then let's take a look at the closet. You have a massive walk-in closet. How convenient is that? Awesome. So for more information on this home, guys, please get in contact with myself and my team. We would love to help you to book a property tour or to help with selling your home in the Hamilton or surrounding areas. So be sure to check the description and get in touch with us. We'll see you in the next video.